Hi everyone! Today we're making one of my favorite quick and easy but ultra flavorful dishes, black pepper beef udon. This recipe is for one serving if you need to cook more than just multiply maths. Okay, let's go. We're going to start with our beef first. I have about 100 grams of sliced beef. We're going to marinate this and tenderize this first. Pop about 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now the baking soda is the secret ingredient to the tender beef. Mix all of that in together and leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes or so. Or the time you take to prepare these other ingredients. For vegetables, I have capsicums or bell peppers cut into strips. I also have some nice leafy greens because healthy lifestyle or whatever. I also have half a red onion here. I like to slice them up this way so I get these strips easily. Now onto the magic sauce. In a bowl, mix in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and about half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now we add lots of black pepper, or about 2 teaspoons. Now this is your basic black pepper sauce and you can actually be done here. I like to be extra, so I'm adding in some sesame oil and vinegar as well. I also adding garlic in this sauce. About 1 clove of garlic, or 2 if you like it extra garlicky. Mix all of that up and keep it to one side. At this point, you can prepare your cornstarch and water mixture beforehand as well. And now we're ready to cook. Now this process takes really fast. First, we're gonna saute the onions. And then I also like to add in my capsicums at this point because I like my capsicums really soft. Add it in later if you prefer them crunchier. Then I add in my beef. Stir fry it for a few seconds and immediately add in the magic sauce. Now we don't want to waste the sauce, so add some water to the bowl, kind of mix that up in with the remaining sauce and pour that into the pan. I like mine extra saucy, so I'm adding another bowl of water. Now we add our udon. With fresh udon, you don't have to blanch it first, just add it straight to the mix and let the gravy cook the udon. If you don't have udon or just don't like udon, then guess what? This tastes amazing over rice as is. Do a sauce taste test here. Add in more sugar if you want it a little bit sweeter, or in my case add in more pepper because I just want it very peppery. It was actually too much pepper. When the beef is almost cooked, add in the leafy greens. The final step is the cornstarch and water mixture to make it thick. And we're done. Oh yeah! Peppery, sweet, salty deliciousness with tender beef. This is one of my favorite easy, quick noodle dishes ever. Amazing. Happy dance. Yeah. Please try this and bye.